Hello again. So, if you're looking for a place to blog or put photos or just have a platform to treat as your own website, then WordPress.com may be the place for you. I filmed a video about how to sign up for Tumblr, and if you watched that and decided maybe Tumblr isn't for you, then perhaps WordPress.com is. You'll soon, in a later video that I plan on making, you'll learn that there is a difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org, but this video is focusing on WordPress.com. So we're going to go ahead and get started and create a website with WordPress.com, and here's how you do it. So go to WordPress.com, and on their front page there should be a Create Website button as of right now, so you'll go ahead and click Create Website. Then you will pick a URL, and that hopefully is not taken. Alright, create your site and continue. Type a keyword or address. Nope, this would be if you wanted a custom domain, but we do not want to do that because we like free. So we're going to go ahead and click no thanks. Alright, we are going to pick a theme. Let's go with this one. Alright, and we do not want to pay for things because, again, we like free. Later in life, if you decide to keep this and you want to do more with your website / blog, then you can go ahead and choose whether or not you actually want to pay for things. But right now, we are going to just do all the free. Yes, this is yeah. Alright. So I apparently did not log out. Alright, well, here we go. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to start a post. We've already selected a theme, and we will customize our site later, and yeah. So we're going to start a post. This is my test post. Welcome to my temporary blog for tutorial purposes only. Then if you want to bold some text, then you can do that. It's a real basic editor, and if you want to add photos or audio or a document, you can gosh darn do that by adding the media, or click the add media button and upload that. And if you are one who can edit HTML and edit complicated things, I can do a little bit, but I know not everyone is that way, so we're going to just stick with the visual editor. And maybe you don't want to publish your blog post right away, or your photo, or whatever you happen to be writing or working on uploading. You can save it as a draft and publish it for later, but right now we're just going to go ahead and publish it right now. And we're going to go ahead and view our post. In the meantime, we're going to go close out of that. We're going to go to our my sites. There, my sites. Yes, there we go. And we're going to edit our site a little bit more. And so this is the backside of a WordPress.com site. And I know right now there's a lot, but I'm just going to cover the main settings that you guys would probably use. So this is our test post, and this is what our site looks like right now. So that's what that looks like. And post is where you can add new posts. You can add categories of posts and tags. If you want a page, so let's say apparently switch my sites, switch site, this one, view admin, my apologies. Okay, so you can go to your posts page, and this is going to be their WordPress's sample post, and we can go ahead and delete that. Don't know what's going on with you. Gosh darn it. More editing for me. Alright, so posts is where you can add more posts. You can change your appearance here. Which we never viewed our posts. Oh well. And if, say, you don't like the theme you picked out the first time, you can go back and change your theme. And again, there are albums or themes that are free and themes that are not so free. And if you're willing to pay however much for said theme, then go ahead and you can edit the menu. So if you have multiple pages, you can edit the order of your pages. You can edit the background of your site. You can edit can enable the mobile theme, which many people will thank you for, and we'll go ahead and update that. Let's say you want to have a multi-user blog, so you can then add new users, or add your friend's email or your cohort's email. And here you can edit your settings. It's really not as hard as it looks. You just need to be able to be willing to dive in. Comments, people can make comments, and then you can decide, oh, this is a bad, naughty comment, and delete it, or hey, that's a helpful, nice, uplifting comment, and keep it, and whatnot. So yeah, one thing I do need to, okay, so we're gonna customize. Oh, come on. Okay. And one thing I want to show you guys is the widgets. And the difference between WordPress.com is that this is literally the only plugins and widgets that you get. In WordPress.org, you have a little bit more, and it becomes slightly more complicated, but it's not as hard as it looks. And again, just things to dig into. You can put a tab in your sidebar that says that gives you the categories that you have on your blog. So you can have add a little form on your blog that says that will allow people to add in their email if they want to follow your blog in that way. You can add links to your blog roll and whatnot, posts you like, milestones. You can add pages to the sidebar instead of on the top. You can add social media icons. Put that in our sidebar, and put in your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Vimeo, and usernames. But again, not as complicated as it looks, but everyone has their own levels of difficulty. So essentially, that is how you create a WordPress.com website. If you have any further questions about how to set up WordPress.com site or any specific setting of WordPress.com site, feel free to leave a comment down below this video, and I will do my best to get to making a tutorial on said problem that you left in the comment section of this video, and I will see you guys next time.